My name is Yuanyuan. Now I will give my presentation of my research. My research title is Analysis on the Usage of Industrial Waste and Waste Residue as Aggregates for Building Bricks. As we all know, the use of stable industrial waste as replacement stabilizers in building has been validated to be a viable strategy for lowering environmental outcomes that present social and financial benefits to the populace. Coping with risks which bring about pollutants is one of the hard problems in rapidly growing countries due to an insufficient manpower, monetary assets, implements, equipment. Bricks are of common constructing substances actively applied within a sizable majority of creation works because of their first-rate function, such as high strength, low production prices, and sturdiness. Constructing enterprise is among the biggest sectors consuming large natural resources, manpower, energy, and financial systems. This is my problem statement. Urbanization in China caused the production of a large quantity of solid waste, and disposal became an issue causing environmental degradation, groundwater contamination due to leaching, soil pollution, human health concerns. About 960 million tons of solid waste is generated annually as by merchandise from industrial operation, mining, municipal activities. Other problems that may affect progress in construction industries include lack of a collective imagination, storage for future green buildings, inclusive of layout, additives, systems, and substances. My general objective is to analyze the usage of industrial waste and other waste residue as aggregates for building bricks. The specific objectives are to make use local and industrial waste to fully replace coarse aggregates in cement brick, to ascertain the mechanical properties and provide the performance of the proposal mixes, to obtain the material composition and experimental design for this study that includes compressive, spreading, tensile, fractional strength, water absorption, and efflorescence tests, to analyze problems associated with increasing waste and its potential utilization in various building applications, to explore the benefits and challenges of utilization of waste in building construction. And this is my literature review. Waste Control Act of 2001 defines waste as any substance or item belonging which is holder discards or intends or is needed to discard it. Illegal waste points have continuously stressed the ecosystem and environmental quality. Waste control has ended harder all around the globe due to population growth, unplanned city developments, improvements in dwelling standards, and shortage of courage. I can identify 4 critical factors for an integrated waste management, which comprise of source reduction, reuse, recycling, hand-fuel and gas-to-energy, waste-to-energy conversion. Stable waste materials can be successfully applied in producing few powerful opportunity building substances to top off the shortage of conventional substances, which includes bricks, blocks, tiles, aggregates, ceramics, cement, lime, sand, and timber. This is a picture shows the example of a landfill site. The pictures show example of an industrial usage of waste. Now I will introduce my research methodology. First, materials. The material obtained at various manufacturing industries, which are the major industrial waste that will be used for the production of cementation spent bricks, are fly ash, lime, gypsum, coal dust. The method is that the experimental design for studying the feasibility of local waste residue for brick production will be carried out in 3 phases. Phase 1, fixture designing and identification. Phase 2, properties characterization. Phase 3, code compliance and cost analysis. The bricks of size 220 mils in length, 100 mils in width, 75 mils in height will be casted to study the strength and the durability characteristics. The mixing water will be tap water meets requirements of Chinese national standards. All physical tests of the materials and component strength tests will be carried out in Technology Construction Materials Laboratory. Quantitative experiment data analyzed using SPSS software. And quantitative approach is semi-structural interviews. It is conducted to address objective 4 and 5. The target population is experienced investigators in personnel working in recycling or waste management ministry or the environmental protection ministry in Beijing. Specifically, the departments that deal with construction waste management and consequences the environment to gather information, the problems associated with increasing waste and its potential utilization in various building applications. The estimate sample size is about 20 participants. The data gathered analyzed using the Vivo software. The study of significance is that it will be likely to be helpful for educational institutions which use to information for academic purpose across various academic institutions in China. Be presented for future utilization and management strategies. Help governmental agents to involve modification policies and building standards. Create a manual for engineers or scholars to explore various options to improve waste disposal methods and fulfill demand in materials resources for construction. This is my Gantt chart and my schedule. That's all. Thank you.